down there for me? Can you pick up that one for me? That's Rocco's elephant.
What's in Rocco's
Can you
stocking?
get it? Hand it to Grammy. Thank you, sweetie.
It's for Rocco.
Here,
Isn't that nice?
it's Rocco's elephant. Let's see. Does he do anything? He does. Goodness, Grammy. Can you shake your shaker with a song?
Check the school bus.
Right there. Let's see if you can shake it with this music. Music.
Oh, good.
All right. Good shaking. Very good. You see Rocco?
Got a big yellow school
You
bus.
see the elephant? Do you see the elephant? You like it? Do you like that guy? He does.
What do you think of
Let's
Kipper?
see. Huh? Let's see what else he has.
Kid for the dough, like a dough, like a
yes.
dough.
New washcloths. Boy colors.
Who's that?
Boy colors.
Who's that?
Who is this?
Good.
Who is this?
Who is that, honey?
See what else?
Leona, who is
There's something
this?
shaking in there, Rock. Ooh, rattles Rocco.
He's
Let's see. There you go, elephant. I'm opening it. I'm opening it. It's shakers for Rocco. Watch. Here, Rocco. Here you go. Here you go. Can you shake it,
Yeah.
Rocco? Can you shake it? Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Put it in your little hand. There you go. Can you shake it?
Leona.
It's okay, sweetie. That's for Rocco. You want this one? Here. Here. Take this one. It's Rocco's, but you can have it for a minute, I'm sure. He said he thinks he'll be